The beginning of the end.
We gotta play that back. Alright y'all, 24-hour challenge video was done now. We're building some forts on the beach. Alright, I don't know how the wind's gonna be like affecting the video and stuff. I don't think it's gonna be that bad. That's a good example right there. We're gonna start the build of the forts. Maybe the biggest hole that we've ever made. That's ridiculous. Y'all, this is good progress so far. Jacob's the GoPro guy today. Carly's using her biggest shovel that we have. We don't have anything bigger than that, so it's gonna take us a while, but this is our progress. All we've done is just make a huge divot. We haven't really done that much. There you go, Jake! Yeah! Flashing button
Is on. The beginning of the end. You didn't know? There's a blood moon tonight. And what we think, that means the world is ending. So we're here to make our bunker and keep everybody safe.
Stop that! Stop that right now! We're not even in the outline right now. We don't have that much time till night. We gotta hurry. These things humble you as a person. So you come out and you wanna go for more stupid dingus over there. With sand and a small shovel. I swear to God, he's 9 years old. T-minus, I think 10 minutes, and I think we're giving up. I can't feel anything right now. But we have made the biggest progress in the world, and look at that. Oh, that's a big hole. This is not really looking like a fort. I guess we're gonna change it to the largest hole made on YouTube or something. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Really, there's so many sands that they're standing up right now, so never mind, I'll find someone like you. This is definitely deeper than the other hole. You're going to the light, Jacob. You're going to the light. You're going to the light. So our first giver-upper on the 24-hour challenge is going inside. Carly, go and get the shovel. Keep working. Dig. Dig. I command you to dig. So, this is really humbling experiment. This is honestly better than the hole that I did in the 24-hour challenge. Seriously though, like this is probably the deepest hole I've ever seen at the beach. Like you could bury me alive, like I'm hidden. Right here is probably the deepest part in the hole. So guys, best hole we've ever dug in our life. We're trying to fit both of our bodies in here at the moment. Right, and at the end of the video, we'll just throw a Tidepod for pleasurement for all our viewers. Did you say you have crabs? There's no crab. You don't have crabs.
All right, let's go throw a Tidepod.
Throw the Tidepod. So guys, thank you guys for tuning in.
This is like my bed.
What?
This is like my bed.
We'll be throwing a Tidepod off the roof. All right guys, my camera died and I don't have the Tidepod.
Well, Ivy went up there to throw the Tidepod, but he forgot the Tidepod.
I think Jacob might be coming back up here to get it to me. Hey, can you give me the Tidepod, buddy?
Yeah, you forgot it.
Yeah.
I took a video, you forgetting it too.
Thanks, buddy.
All right, we're gonna drop it.
I don't like this. Tidepod is dropped.
Dude, what?
It didn't pop.
It didn't. There's no way.
All right, I'm waiting for my pally Jacob to come back up here.
I'll tell you why.
There he is.
But it didn't break.
Tidepod engaged. I mean this in the most positive way. Might hit Jacob in the face. 3, 2, 1. It didn't explode? It didn't explode. I threw that with 4. I think Jake's gonna come up here again. Oh, what's up, Jake? Right. Our conclusion and moral of the story today, that this Tidepod and many other Tidepods are unbeatable, and it's a great advertisement because they cannot explode.
Hey, guess what? Where is it? Dude.
Hype him up. Highlights are unbeatable.
What's in your mug, tucked it up.